Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another vlog for you and I am so excited because my friends are coming to visit me tonight. They all live in Melbourne, so they're coming down for a little girls' night and I'm so excited. I have like so much planned. I've just finished like cleaning the house and getting it ready, and now I'm going to do a bit of food prep. So I have a few things to make and put together, and I'm just like really excited and happy. So today's video is in collaboration with Hayu. Hayu is the best place to stream and download all of your favorite reality TV shows, and it has amazing, my personal favorites from Hayu would be all the Real Housewives series. I love them, as well as Keeping Up with the Kardashians. So we are tonight going to watch the first episode of season 16 of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I can't believe it's I don't think anyone can believe that it's season 16. One of the best things about Hayu is the fact that the episodes are available as soon as they are available in the US, the same day. If you wanted to check out Hayu, I will have a link down below, but I'm gonna get into prepping and everything like that and show you what I do to get ready for a girls' night in. Hi guys! I haven't got my pajamas on yet, on neither of you guys. Everyone's vlogging. Hi! Hi! Good. Thanks so much for coming. Oh my god, you did not have to do that.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thanks for having us. Yeah, come in. Make yourself at home.
Is your hat and Coco?
Yeah, Coco.
That's so nice.
You really? Coco's getting all the attention. Oh, perfect. Oh, thank you. Erin has a book for me. So thank you so much. So this is the platter that I made. Yeah, just like little starting platters. Okay, so everyone's here. Now, the perfect attire for girls' night in is PJs. So we are all gonna get changed into our PJs. Rachel was literally just jumping up and down. So we've all just been like chatting about like our first videos. So embarrassing. Yeah, it's been pretty funny. We've all shared our first videos, but I'm pretty sure all of ours are private, so you won't find them on our channel. Oh yeah, Anna did like a Coke video. Oh, a little demo. Now we're just gonna have some more food. So we've got some chicken wings and some quiches, and I also have some sweet potato chips in the oven that are still cooking. But yeah, this is what a girls' night's about, just having a few drinks and eating food and just talking rubbish.
Reminiscing.
Yeah.
Got him to
Get that chicken wing. Oh yeah. The popcorn is going off. Okay, so I've got the popcorn ready and I put some sweets out and we're getting ready to watch the first episode of season 16. Here we go. Here's some brownies. Here's some strawberries. Oh my god, Anna, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I cannot do that.
I can do it too. I'm gonna do it too.
Oh my god, can you?
It's really, really easy.
Oh wait, here we go.
I cannot do that.
I can't do it. I can't do it either.
Wait, yeah, I feel like we all need to check in. Wait.
Oh no, are you gonna try? Yeah, same. No, I do that too. Yeah, yeah. No, that's me. That's me.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
No, how long have you spent practicing this?
Oh my god, the brownies.
Look, I'm
Oh,
this
so good.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
Oh, that's not mine.
Who's ready for Keeping Up with the Kardashians? Season 16! I just left the popcorn on for 3 minutes. I'm hoping it's not burnt because I stopped paying attention to it about half a minute ago. Here's
I was supposed to be like arms opposite, and then you go like behind, like it goes like this, and then back out, and then both go in front.
So your hips are always
And then they go like this.
Let's start.
Oh, Erin, you're doing it! Erin, you're doing it! Oh my god! You're doing it!
But if we start like this, Hannah, start. Just do this first.
Yeah, do the hips.
So we've got to get the hips right.
the hips.
The hips are always the hips.
This is comfort. Oh, this is great. Look at this, it's like a big couch. With all this food, although we can't really reach the food, but that'll be fine. Hogging all the blankets.
Do you need blanket?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
I'm so cozy.
Okay, so
I don't know. My God, I'm so excited.
This is so bad. This way. This is honestly the best.
So public. I'm not just a TV show. Like, this is my life.
alright, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just finished the first episode. What did we all think?
It was good. It was really good. I need to watch more now though.
Yeah.
You know what the thing is though, like the teaser at the start was the best because it gave like an insight to the series, and then like it was a good episode, but it was just like I was expecting a little bit more because the teaser like gave us so much.
I actually reckon they did that on purpose because
Yeah.
now I want to
Just
watch
make
the
that
next
pull.
episode.
Yeah, for sure. So yeah, that was fun, and now I can watch the rest of the season as it comes out in the US, which I'm so excited about. So if you wanted to sign up to Hayu, I'll have a link listed down below, and definitely go check it out. They do also have a 30-day free trial if you do sign up, so you can even test it out for free. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.